respected my colleagues, Dr. Samira and Dr. Prosi, program officers, dedicated and devoted program officers, I must say, Mustaqil and Ali, Dr. Naim Saab, Dr. Jabbar Saab, Dr. Noor Saab, Dr. Fauziya Sahiba, Dr. Mansur Saab, and of course Ms. Naeem Afridi. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to talk about women. Before I had started talking my main submission was regarding panchayats. And before coming to the topic, I would like to ask the audience, are they familiar with these names? Chavi Rawat, Rajawat, Aarti Devi, Meena Ben, anyone? Radha Devi, Sushma Bhadro. Are you familiar with these names? Any one of you in the audience? Well, that's a sorry state of affairs, I guess, but these are women sarpanch. And these women sarpanch they are brave, they are dedicated, devoted. One of them, if I say so, Aarti Devi, she has been an investment banker, plus an MBA degree holder. Chavi Rajawat, who had acquired or taken her studies from US, and now she is a sarpanch of Rajasthan. So there are these women, these sarpanch women, they have created not only a mark, but they have made a strong impact in their own village and community, talking about the rural development, talking about the women empowerment, talking about the education of girl child. In fact, in one of the sarpanch, if I talk about Meena Ben, she was a very traditional, conservative woman, but with the help of her in-laws, she was able to unveil her movement in front of 2,000 people coming from neighboring villages, which was indeed a feat for her because she was very shy, she was introvert. But this opportunity of sarpanch, this opportunity at grassroots level has emancipated her not in terms of decision making, but also bringing about drastic changes in the social and political life. I did a few words of few things related to the grassroots place in Panchayati Raj institutions, because these are important institutions if we talk about governance, if we talk about the role of women in political arena. And these institutions, they play a very significant role because panchayats, we all know that they have autonomy. They are decentralized. Due to decentralization of power, they have that authority, they have control to look after a community, to develop their community. With these words, I would like to share a few things which I had written related to the panchayats and their involvement in the community development. The involvement of women in the development process and political decision process have always been advocated by social and political thinkers. The United Nations, after declaring 1975-85 as a decade for women development, observed that women perform 2/3 of the world's work but receive only 10% of the world's income and only 1% of the means of production. Women, thus, they are considered as the most excluded category. Nevertheless, the scale of equality are out to balance, and with this, women is very